So, you've been working on the Safe Routes to School stuff now for, as you said, over a year, and you were explaining to me earlier that California is actually a little bit ahead of the rest of the nation when it comes to helping schools design safe ways for students to get there. So do you want to explain that a little more?
Sure, yeah. So I work on statewide policy research, so I get to travel all over the state. And one of the stories I think that's really impressive and I tell people about a lot is here in California, we have a partnership between our State Department of Transportation, that's Caltrans, and our State Department of Public Health. And together they've formed a liaison and they have a Safe Routes to School Technical Assistance Resource Center, which is for staff that are available statewide to offer technical assistance and other just help in cities and community groups that are trying to get Safe Routes to School programs started. That's the only model I know of nationwide, and I think bringing this partnership between health and transportation is so key, and it's definitely something that California should be really proud of. And those staff have been able to travel around the state and provide, right now they're gearing up to provide workshops. I'd love to have them here in Southern California and provide one for, as people prepare to do Safe Routes to School applications, that's going to be a call for the federal funds here in California at the end of April likely, and so it's good to start thinking now about what kind of proposals would you like to see in your community. And while Safe Routes to School is about building infrastructure, sidewalks, bike lanes, bike boulevards, things like that, a really important part of it is the non-infrastructure program, which is about education and encouragement, where you do great things like Golden Sneaker Awards, like Culver City does, or other places do walking school buses, or things that generate community support, and people get really fired up about walking and bicycling to school. Families, parents do, kids do, and while it sounds like it's not as important as building a sidewalk, it's just as equally as important and an integral part of the program, so yeah.